welcome back to our English class. Today in our English class we are going to discuss grammar topic, that is articles. In English grammar we have articles a and the. So let me see what is an article and where we have to use these articles. See here, article is a word used to modify a noun. Modify means gives more information about a noun. So we are using article before a noun. So modify that. Modify means give information about that noun. That means here article meaning is one. A or an meaning one. So it says the number of noun and also it says that we are talking particularly about that or in general. అంటే general గా చెప్పుకుంటున్నామా లేదా particular గా we are talking about that noun అనేది మనం by this article we can know that. Basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. So basically an article is an adjective. Adjective, what is an adjective? Adjective is an word which describes noun. Noun గురించి మనకి describe చేస్తూ extra information ఇచ్చే words ని adjective అంటాం. తెలుగులో కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా మీకు విశేషణాలు అట్లా. Like adjectives, articles modifies noun. Modify ante give more information about that noun. We generally use articles before nouns. Where we are using articles before nouns. See for example here, a cat. A is an article. Here cat. Cat is a noun. So before the cat we are using a cat. A means one cat. And here an egg. Egg is a noun. So before egg, to say that it is one and we are talking in general, we used here an egg. And next an elephant. Elephant is a noun. Before that, to say that in one number we are talking about one elephant and generally we are talking about that. So here it is used an. Next a dog. Dog is a noun. Before that we used a. Next pen is a noun. Before that it is used a pen. Like that etc. We generally use articles before nouns. That is the important point. And next point is, if there is an adjective before the noun, a or an should be agree with the first sound of the adjective. See here, a or an. We use a or an before a noun. If there is any adjective, someone is disturbing the screen, please children don't do like that. Adjective, if it is their adjective before a noun. For example, see here beautiful rose. Rose is a noun. Children, do you know what is a noun? Any one of you unmute yourself and tell me what is a noun?
Rose.
Noun ante enti? Children, noun ante enti? Have you heard that word? ఎప్పుడన్నా విన్నారా నౌన్ అని?
విన్నా మ్యామ్.
నౌన్ అంటే ఏంటి?
విన్నా మేడం.
విశేషం తెలుపడం.
It tells
నామవాచకం.
పేర్లు గాని నామవాచకం. Names. It's a name.
Place, things.
See here, rose is a name of a flower. It's a name of a flower. And here beautiful is added to rose. Here beautiful is adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. It is added to describe a rose. ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం ఏం చూసాం? Up to now we discussed that a or an articles are used before a noun. But when adjective is used, we have to consider the first sound of an adjective. ఇక్కడ కొన్నిటి ముందు ఏ ఉపయోగించాం, కొన్నిటికి ముందు an ఉపయోగించాం కదా. Articles విన్నారా ఎప్పుడన్నా? A. Okay, let me see. See here, if it is there the rows before the noun, then we have to consider the first sound of an adjective. Basing on that, we have to use a or an as an article. Next. See, we generally use articles before common nouns. What we discussed before, articles are used before nouns. In that, especially generally we are using articles before common nouns. Now, let me see what is a noun. Noun is a word that names either a person, place or thing, whatever it may be. The name of a object or a thing or a person comes under noun. For example, Rohit, it's a name of a person. Sri Sailam, it's a name of a place. Next, bat, it's a name of a thing. Rose, it's a name of a flower. Dog, it's a name of an animal. Like that, whatever it may be, all names comes under noun. See, and kinds of nouns. There are 5 types of noun. First one is common noun. Second one is proper noun. Third one is collective noun and abstract noun, material noun. First of all, we have to know about all these nouns because here it is especially mentioned we generally use articles before common nouns. So let me see what is a common noun. See children, here it is a table of kinds of noun. Here first of all common noun. Children, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Here, ma'am.
Yes. On your videos. See children, common noun. What is common noun? Common noun refers to the name common to all persons or things of the same kind. That means a name which is given to all persons, common name to all persons, common name to all the things, common name for all the same kind of things. See, for example, here, if anyone asks you what's your name, what you will say? If anyone asks you what's your name, you're saying your name, isn't it? For example, Nagraju, Surendra, like that you're saying your name. That name is a particular name. But you're all Nagraju, Surendra, Srinivas, you're all huh?
Noun.
You're all boys, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So boy is a common noun. Like that, girl is a common noun. And next, city is a common noun. City is a name given to all the cities. It's a common name to all for a few places. And next, book is a common noun. Like that, the name which is given to the same thing, common name given to the same kind of things, that comes under common noun. Next, see proper noun. These two are opposite. Proper noun. Proper noun refers to a name of a particular place, particular person or thing. For example, Mahendra. It's a name of Mahendra. If I call Mahendra, Mahendra only respond. Isn't it? Kada Mahendra అని పిలిస్తే Mahendra నే పలుకుతాడు కదా?
అవును మేడం.
Because I am calling him particularly. If I call boys అని పిలిస్తే
అందరు పలుకుతాం మేడం.
Common noun.
లేకపోతే నన్ను కాదని అందరూ సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటారు కదా? So it is common.
అవును మేడం.
So the common word gives to same kind of things is a common noun. Proper noun means particular name to a place or a person or a thing. Do you understand common noun and proper noun?
Understand.
Yes. The remaining we will discuss later. Here, actually we are discussing about articles. In English, articles are two types. First one is definite articles. Second one is indefinite articles. How many types of articles are there?
2 types. There are two
What are they?
two
First
types of
one is
articles. Definite article.
definite article. Second one is
Indefinite article.
definite article is the
Indefinite article.
indefinite articles a or an. We are using any one, either a or an. Let me see where to use a or an one by one. First of all, we discuss about indefinite articles.
Indefinite
Indefinite
article.
articles are a, An.
or an.
Very good. We use indefinite article a or an with a singular countable noun. In the before slide, we understood that article is used before a noun. Ani oka point నేర్చుకున్నాం. For example, it is used before common noun అని నేర్చుకున్నాం. See here what here it is common noun అని నేర్చుకున్నాం. We use indefinite article a or an with a singular countable noun. So here we have to know what is countable noun. Countable noun means it refers to items that can be counted and have singular and plural forms. There are so many naming words. There are so many nouns, but all the nouns are not countable. For example, see here, boy. Can we count boy? If there is one boy, we are saying boy. If there are more than one boy, what we say? More than one boy, what we say?
Count.
Boy.
Definite article.
If there is one book, can we count the book? Can we count the book? Books ne count cheyagalama?
Yes. Cheyyagalam, madam.
Yes,
Yes,
we can
madam.
count books. So it's a countable noun. So there is a singular plural for that. Book is singular. Books is a plural form. Like that, these are all countable nouns. And next coming to uncountable noun. It is opposite to the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun refers to items that are not counted and are always singular. See for example, water. Can you count the water? Water ni manam
No,
count
madam.
cheyalama? No,
No,
we
madam.
can't count.
Cheyalam,
How
madam.
much it may be, enta unna kuda manam em cheptam, water ane cheptam. Water, waters ala cheppam kada. Like that, milk is also uncountable noun. Happiness, we can't count our happiness. Hey,
Yes,
rice,
madam.
sugar, salt, these are all common nouns, but we
Etc.
can't
Uncountable.
count all these things.
Uncountable noun.
These are all uncountable nouns. So
Uncountable.
where we have to use a or an only before singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns and whose specific identity is not known to the reader. See, when we are talking about a general, in general, or normally when we are talking usually, then we are using a or an. If you are talking about anything particularly, దేని గురించి అన్నా పర్టికులర్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఏ గాని an గాని యూజ్ చేయరు. జనరల్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు దేని గురించి అయినా తెలియదు, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్. జనరల్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడే ఏ ఆర్ an యూజ్ చేస్తాము. దట్ టు ఇట్ షుడ్ బి సింగులర్ కౌంటబుల్ నౌన్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్కౌంటబుల్ నౌన్, we never use any article. ఏ ఆర్టికల్ కూడా యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. Is it clear up to here?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear,
Next, see, indefinite article a or an. First, let me know where to use a. Is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. And next, use of an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. See children, have you heard about consonant and vowel? విన్నారా ఎప్పుడన్నా కాన్సనెంట్ అని వోవెల్ అని?
విన్నా మేడం.
విన్నా
How
ma'am.
many vowels are there?
5 vowels.
Very good. What are
A,
they?
E, I, O, U. A,
A,
E, I, O, U.
Vowels are
A, I, O, U.
A, E, I.
O-U.
Very good. A, E. Children must and should you have notebook with you and you have to note all these important points. Vowels are A, E, I,
Okay.
O, U, and remaining all letters comes under consonants.
Consonants.
See, but here what they are saying, it's not consonant, consonant sound. And an is used before vowel sound.
Vowels.
See here, this is the chart of vowel and consonants. Vowels are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U, and remaining letters comes under consonant. Totally we
Consonant.
have 26 alphabets in English. So 5 are vowels, remaining are consonants. But here
21
what they said,
consonants.
an is used before vowel sound. How many vowels are there, children?
5 vowels.
Five, madam.
But see how many sounds are here. For 5 vowels, we have 20 sounds in English.
20.
And next for consonants,
20 sounds, ma'am.
huh?
25.
20 sounds.
20.
30.
These are 24. 24 sounds of consonant. So we are not familiar with this. మీకు తెలుసా ఇవి
Consonant.
consonant sounds, vowel sounds? తెలుసా?
తెలియదు మేడం.
తెలియదు
మేడం.
కదా? కాబట్టి I will tell you one trick how to
Tell me.
identify is it a consonant sound or a vowel sound. See here consonant sound. ఇది ఎట్లా పలుకుతారంటే it's not p, it's a pa, it's a ba, ta. మీకు తెలుగులో ఎట్లా ఉంటది? How the letter will. Children, what is this letter? What is this letter?
Ka.
కా.
Screen
కా
మీద
మేడం.
ka.
Ka.
How it-
Ka మేడం.
ka ఎట్లా అయింది?
A.
Ka
Plus a. Plus a.
Yes, madam.
Like that English
Amen.
also
Madam.
this
Fourth
is
to three.
so
Pa.
sound ఇలా రాస్తారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో. It's a pa, not pa, p. It's not p, it's a pa. Pa పక్కన ఇక్కడ
Pa.
ఎట్లయితే అచ్చులు అల్లులు ఉంటాయి కదా తెలుగులో, like that by adding a, by adding or I, by adding any vowel, then it becomes full sound.
P.
Okay children, so these are all consonant sound and these are all vowel sound. We are not familiar with this, so I will tell you one trick how to easily identify. See here what they said. A is used before the consonant sound. Consonant sounds chusam kada. So when you pronounce a word, for example, see here cat. The starting sound of the cat is
C.
of
Consonant.
the cat is k. Isn't it?
Consonant.
Avuna?
One.
The starting sound of the see the starting sound of the cat is k.
Indefinite article.
Isn't it
Cat.
children?
Ka.
Ka.
Cat.
Ka is a consonant sound.
Consonant.
And next here, dog. The starting initial sound of the dog is d. And next girl, g. Tree, g.
Three.
And here
Tree.
one. The letter is vowel letter. Children, this is very important. Listen, the letter is vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. O is vowel letter, but it sounds as v. One. V. Avuna? Va ani palugutundi kada. It sounds v. So here the letters, the initial sound of the noun which comes between కా నుండి మీకు తెలుగులో బండిరా వరకు ఉన్నాయా? అక్షరాలు ఉన్నాయా?
ఉన్నాయి మేడం.
వరకు
మేడం.
when you pronounce a word, if you get the sound of among these letters, then you have to use a. Right, అర్థమైందా? When you pronounce the word,
అర్థమైంది మేడం.
when you pronounce the words, if you get initial sound, starting sound, bandira, then it's a consonant sound. But then you have to use and next coming to an. Where to use an? An is used before the vowel sound. See here, for example, an apple. Sound is old man. An umbrella. Ice cream. And here H is silent. Our. So these are all sounding among sounding between A to Amha. If you receive a sound between A to Amha, for those words you have to use an. Is it clear, children? Very important point where to use a and an. A is used before the consonant sound and an is used before vowel sound. To identify is it a consonant sound or a vowel sound, it is a very easy trick. After pronouncing a word, you check the starting initial sound of that word is between ka to bandira or not. If it is between ka to bandira, then you have to use A. Mahesh, is it clear? A.
Clear,
If
madam.
the
Clear,
sound-
madam.
The initial sound is between A to Amaha, then you have to use an. Don't take consider it is starting with vowel letter. O to start అయింది. O అనేది vowel కాబట్టి an పెట్టాలి అనేది తప్పు. Letter కాదు. It is basing on the sound. Is it clear, children?
Clear, madam.
Madam.
Shall we do one exercise basing
Clear,
on
ma'am.
article A or an?
Clear, ma'am.
Now, all of you unmute yourself. Here, fill in the
Okay,
blanks
madam.
with A or an. First one is orange. So, what is the article here we have to use? Children, please don't disturb the screen. Yes, children, here what we have to use, A or an. Orange. Orange. The initial sound is orange. So here A or an.
A.
A na.
And
Nasima, mute yourself.
A, orange.
Mute yourself. Children, all of you unmute. Is it not possible to unmute? Children, your response is very, very important. Children, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆరెంజ్. ఆరెంజ్ అనే దాని
An orange.
ఏ యూస్ చేయాలా an యూస్ చేయాలా?
An.
An. And next apple.
An apple.
An apple.
An.
Very good. Next umbrella.
An umbrella.
An umbrella.
An
Why?
umbrella.
Because the initial
A rabbit.
sound is initial
A
sound
rabbit.
is vowel sound. And next
A
rabbit.
A rabbit.
A rabbit.
A rabbit.
Next bus.
A bus.
A bus. Very
A
good.
bus.
Next university.
A university.
University.
A.
And madam.
And
Yeah,
A.
madam.
A university.
And
A, madam.
And madam.
Wait, let me check here. University. The initial sound is U. University. And say yeah, U. So it comes under, comes between Ka to Bandira. So even though it is vowel sound, even though it is vowel letter, the sound is consonant sound. So here we have to use A university, not an university. Okay, children?
A desk.
Yes.
It is.
Adult. Next,
It is.
ant.
An elephant.
An
An elephant.
Next, sheep.
Elephant.
A sheep. A sheep.
A ship.
A sheep.
Lemon.
A lemon.
A lemon.
Next, egg.
Egg. Egg.
An egg.
Egg.
A.
An egg.
So here it is a vowel sound. So here we have to use an egg. Next, uniform.
A farm.
Here,
An ear.
Ear. Ear.
an ear.
Ear.
Next, bear.
A beer.
Not
A bear.
a bear.
Here.
Next, ring.
Ring.
Arm.
An arm. An arm.
Farmer.
A farm.
Farmer.
Eye.
An
An eye.
Eraser.
Diamond.
Eraser. Eraser.
So this is A
An
or
eraser.
we have to use A before the consonant sound, not before the consonant letters. Letters mundu kaadu, before the consonant sound, and an is used before the vowel sound. Vowel sound. It
Vowel
is
sound.
basing on the sound, not basing on the
Vowels.
letters. And next, use of shall we stop here or continue?
Continue, ma'am.
Yes, use of definite article. Up to here we discussed about indefinite article a or an, where to use a and where to use an. Now we are
An.
discussing about indefinite article, that is the. The is used when a particular noun has already been mentioned previously. That means repeated noun. For example, in a sentence, see, if in a sentence, I saw first time, when you are talking about first time, we have to use a or an. And the same, the ors is running fast. When you are talking the same ors for the second time, when the noun is repeated for the second time or more than 2 times, then we have to use the. That means we are talking about particular the ors which is mentioned in the first sentence. So ikkada the anedi ekkada use chestarante, when we are talking about a particular noun, particular ga దాని గురించే మాట్లాడుతున్నాము అని చెప్పేటప్పుడు the use చేస్తారు. See here example is given, I ate an apple yesterday. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక యాపిల్ తిన్నాను, నిన్న ఒక యాపిల్ తిన్నాను. An apple yesterday. The apple was juicy and delicious. See, when it is comes second time kani third time kani, if it is repeated, then we have to use the. For the first time we have to use a or an. When it is repeated in the same paragraph or a story, we have to use the. That means we are talking about the apple which is mentioned in the first sentence. This is the very very important first rule using of the. And next, the is used before the names of rivers. ఎక్కడైనా సరే మీకు rivers names కనిపిస్తే దాని ముందు the అనే article use చేయాలి. For example, the Krishna, the Brahmaputra. And next, names before the names of seas. Seas before the names of seas. For example, the Red Sea, the Black Sea. And next, before the names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. And next, before the names of desert, desert name. Before all these names, you have to use
Thar
article
desert,
the.
Sahara desert.
The Thar desert, the Sahara desert, the mountains, the Himalayas, and next group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, before the names of religious or famous books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Paradise Lost, the Quran, like that. And also before the unique objects. Unique objects ante మొత్తం ప్రపంచంలో ఒక వస్తువే ఉంటుంది, విశ్వంలో ఒక వస్తువే ఉంటుంది. The sun, is there one more sun? No, one sun, the earth,
No,
the
ma'am.
sky. And next, before the directions, the
The
north,
stars.
south, the east, the west. Next, before the ordinal numbers. These are all you have to by heart and you have to remember. Before the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers ante first, second, 10th, ordinal numbers antaru వీటి ముందు. And next, musical instrument. Before the musical instrument, the guitar, the piano. And next, abbreviated countries and organizations. USA means United States of America. It's a short form of United States of America. So
USA.
abbreviations ki mundu the use cheyali. Next, before the
Madam, you can do-
superlative degree. Superlative degree means we have 3 degrees in English: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Great,
Superlative degree.
greatest. Before the superlative degree word,
Greatest.
before the greatest, the worst, the tallest, the tallest, the worst, the tallest. So now you came to know that where to use definite articles. Definite articles ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూస్ చేయాలో తెలుసుకున్నారు కదా? తెలుసుకున్నారా?
అవును మేడం.
Very very
అవును మేడం.
important point is when we are talking about particular about that noun, and when it is repeated. This is very important point. Shall we do one exercise basing on this?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
Now you unmute yourself.
Okay, madam.
Here we have learned where to use a, where to use an, and where to use the. The first one is Manish bought dash doll. Here what we have to use? Em use cheyali.
A doll.
Mundu.
Doll, madam.
A.
doll.
A.
A or an?
A, ma'am. A, ma'am.
A, because doll. Da is a consonant sound. So here we have to use A. Manisha, Manish bought a doll for her sister. Next, dash.
A.
Doll, madam.
Da, ma'am. Da.
Why? Because it is already mentioned in the first sentence. We don't know about that doll. In the second sentence, here we are talking about the doll which is mentioned in the first sentence. So it is repeated. It is second time.
Da.
So here we have to use the doll. The doll was here gift.
Yan. Yan gift.
We don't know it. Gift. A gift for her birthday. She liked dash gift. The gift.
The
For
dash.
the first time we have to use a or an. For the second time we have to use the. So here the gift. Very much. Very good. Next, second sentence. She bought dash ice cream. Here,
And, ma'am.
ice cream. An ice cream. What, Ganesh? What's your doubt? Ganesh? Ganesh, you raised your hand. What's your doubt?
డాల్ వస్తుంది మేడం అక్కడ
Amma?
ఈ లైక్ ఏ రాదా మేడం రాదా మేడం 4 point she liked the 4 point she liked the she liked
She liked
వినిపించట్లేదు కొంచెం గట్టిగా.
She liked the gift
she liked the మేడం
very much.
She liked the gift because gift is repeated. Gift అనేది second time repeat అయింది కదా. When
అవును
it
మేడం.
is repeated for the second time, we have to use the. First time a కానీ an కానీ యూస్ చేస్తాము. సెకండ్ టైం సేమ్ నౌన్ రిపీట్ అయితే ద యూస్ చేస్తాము. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం మనకి తెలియంది. సెకండ్ టైం ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ టు అస్. We are talking particularly about that. So for that, okay?
ఓకే మేడం
Next.
Okay,
She
madam.
bought dash ice
ఓకే
cream.
మేడం
Yan ice
ఐస్
cream.
క్రీమ్ ముందు ఏం రాయాలి? ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ముందు
Yan.
an ice cream because ice cream I is an vowel sound. Next,
The ice cream.
Vowel.
gave
The ice cream.
because it is repeated second time. The
Second time.
the ice cream to her little brother. Ice cream to her little brother.
Start on.
And next one. My grandma brought dash umbrella.
An umbrella.
An umbrella.
Yan umbrella.
An umbrella.
An umbrella. Very good. Umbrella and dash hat.
A hat. A hat.
A hat is also we are talking for first time. Next,
Yeah,
from
from-
Singapore, she gave me dash hat.
The hat.
The hat.
Very good.
The hat.
The hat
And you
and
the umbrella.
dash umbrella.
The umbrella.
The
ఏ umbrella,
umbrella
madam?
to my sister.
The umbrella.
Very good. Next,
To
fourth
my
one.
sister.
I saw dash little boy. See,
The
here
little
boy
boy,
is a
madam.
noun.
The
It
little
boy.
is an
A little
adjective.
boy.
It is used to
little
describe boy. Here we have to consider little sound. L. It's a
A.
consonant sound. So here we have to use
A.
a little boy run across dash car.
A car.
A car. A car.
See here
A
it's
car
starting
hit the
of the
boy.
sentence. So here we have to use
A
capital
car hit
letter.
the boy, madam.
A car it dash boy.
Hit the boy.
The boy.
Because
boy,
the
ma'am.
boy is
The
already
boy.
mentioned in the first sentence. So it is repeated. So here
The
the
boy.
boy. Eat the
The
boy.
boy.
The boy.
Eat the boy. Next dash car stop.
The car stop.
The car. The car stop.
So it is for the second time.
The car stopped.
And dash man came out.
A
A
man.
man came out.
A man came out of
The car.
The car.
the car.
The car.
And next, man.
A man.
The man.
Man
The man.
already ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది
A
కదా.
man.
అవును
The
మేడం, అవును
man.
మేడం. దా
The
మేడం.
man.
The man.
The man phoned for
Phone
ambulance.
for an
Ambulance.
An
It is for first time
madam,
and
an
ambulance.
ambulance immediately.
An ambulance.
Consonant. Sorry.
Immediately.
Is an vowel sound. And next dash
The
ambulance.
ambulance.
The
The
ambulance.
ambulance.
The very good. The ambulance. The ambulance arrived in no time. Next fifth one. Dash old
ఏ
man.
అర్థం లేదా?
Dash old man.
An
The
old
old
man.
man.
An.
Starting of the sentence, the first letter should be capital
An
letter.
old man, madam.
An old man and
A little girl.
a little girl entered.
Enter
Next.
a hotel.
Entered the hotel.
Entered
We
the
don't
hotel.
know what it is.
A hotel.
Entered the da madam.
The old man.
The old man.
It is starting of the sentence, so T should be in capital. The old man ordered
Cup of tea.
a cup
A
of
cup.
tea for himself and
An ice.
an
ice
ice cream
little girl.
for
A little girl.
The little girl.
the little girl.
A little girl.
The little girl, because little girl already mentioned here. So the little
Mentioned.
girl. The little girl. Is it clear, children, to you?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear, ma'am.
Next.
మేడం ఇది మాకు వర్క్ షీట్ ఇస్తారా మేడం?
Yes, same worksheet.
ఇస్తారా మేడం?
Next, up to now we discussed about article where to use a and the, and next year
the.
it is zero articles. కొన్ని చోట్ల మనం అసలు ఆర్టికల్స్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. అది ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు తెలుసుకుందాం ఇప్పుడు. నెవర్ యూజ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ బిఫోర్ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్, అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్
Proper
నౌన్,
noun.
మెటీరియల్ నౌన్. ఇందాక మనం ఇది డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు కదా. See now.
చేయలేదు
Proper
మేడం.
noun. Proper noun means particular name of a particular place, person or thing. Particular. For example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal
Taj
అంటే
Mahal.
Taj Mahal. ఇంకో Taj Mahal ఉండదు. So before the
Ganga.
proper nouns, we never use articles. And next, abstract noun. Abstract noun refers to a name of a feeling, state of mind or quality, something which cannot but only felt, which we can feel, which we can't touch. For example, love. Love, can we touch the love?
No madam.
No, just
No,
we
madam.
can feel it. మనం ఫీల్ అవ్వగలం కదా. అట్లా
Yes, madam.
ఫీలింగ్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ నౌన్ అంటారు. సో బిఫోర్ ద అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ నౌన్, బిఫోర్ ద ప్రాపర్ నౌన్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మెటీరియల్ నౌన్. మెటీరియల్ నౌన్ మీన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద నౌన్స్ దట్ ఆర్ names of materials or substances out of which things are made. For example, gold. Gold తోటి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? గోల్డ్ తోటి ఏం చేస్తాం?
మేడం లేదా? ఏది
ఆర్నమెంట్స్
తిప్పాడు?
చేసుకుంటాం, జ్యువెలరీ ఆర్నమెంట్స్ చేపించుకుంటాం కదా. సో ఆర్నమెంట్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ కామన్ నౌన్, బట్ గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెటీరియల్ విచ్ ఈజ్ యూస్డ్ టు మేక్ ఆర్నమెంట్స్. సో ఇక్కడ గోల్డ్ అనేది మెటీరియల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కాటన్. కాటన్ నుంచి కదా క్లోత్స్ చేసేది. క్లోత్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ కామన్
అవును.
నౌన్, బట్ కాటన్ ఈజ్ ఏ మెటీరియల్ నౌన్. సో మెటీరియల్స్, ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ వి యూస్ టు మేక్ సంథింగ్. ముడి పదార్థాలు అంటారు కదా, అవి మెటీరియల్ నౌన్. So before the material noun, before the abstract noun, before the proper noun, articles use చేయకూడదు. Okay, next, sports and games. Before the names of sports or games, cricket, the cricket అని కానీ ఆ cricket అని కానీ అనకూడదు. Football, the football, ఆ football అనకూడదు. Next, names of diseases, fever, cancer, diseases names ముందు కూడా ఎటువంటి ఆర్టికల్ యూస్ చేయకూడదు. నెక్స్ట్, బిఫోర్ ద డిన్నర్, బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, సప్పర్, లంచ్ ఇట్లాంటి వర్డ్స్ ముందు కూడా ఆర్టికల్ యూస్ చేయకూడదు. నెక్స్ట్, నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్. లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఇంగ్లీష్, తెలుగు, హిందీ. చిల్డ్రన్, హౌ మెనీ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇన్ స్కూల్? గణేష్, How many subjects you are learning at school? School లో ఎన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు?
7 subjects, madam.
7 అనొచ్చా?
There are 7 subjects.
మరి ఏమనాలి మహేష్? ఎన్ని అని చెప్పాలి? 4 subjects, 3 languages అని చెప్పాలి. తెలుగు, ఇంగ్లీష్, హిందీ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కిందకి రావు. సో యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అండ్ 3 languages. సో లాంగ్వేజెస్ ముందు ద ఏ ఆర్టికల్ కూడా యూస్ చేయకూడదు. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి 0 ఆర్టికల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ వెదర్, సమ్మర్, వింటర్, వీటి ముందు కూడా యూస్ చేయకూడదు. సో నౌ యు లెర్న్ వేర్ టు యూస్ అండ్ వేర్ నాట్ టు యూస్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేయాలో ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేయకూడదు.
అవును మేడం.
లాస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఒకటి చేద్దామా?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. See, fill in the blanks with the appropriate article a, an or the, or leave the space blank if no article is needed. ఒకవేళ ఆర్టికల్ అవసరం లేకపోతే ఖాళీగా వదిలిపెట్టాలి. Yes. First one is I want dash apple from the basket.
Madam.
And ఇంకా ఏ అని చెప్తుంది?
An apple.
An apple. Next.
An apple madam.
Apple, madam.
Church on the corner is progressive. See children here. One more point. See here we learned where to use articles and where not. Here is one special thing. The following are the cases where the is not used in the primary sense, but in special or particular sense the is used. So కొన్ని పర్టికులర్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ద యూస్ చేయకూడదు కానీ యూస్ చేస్తాం. చూడండి అవి ఏవో. బిఫోర్ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్, ఇప్పుడే కదా మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం ప్రాపర్ నౌన్ ముందు యూస్ చేయకూడదు అని.
Yes madam.
But in special cases we can use that. And next before abstract noun and material nouns, వీటి ముందు కూడా అంతే. చిల్డ్రన్ స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందా? Yes. Next before the words man, woman, society, event, వీటి ముందు కూడా యూస్ చేయకూడదు. But in special case I will explain you when it will come in the exercise. Next before the names of diseases, games, sports, season, ఇవే కదా మనం ఇందాక ఉండకూడదు అని నేర్చుకుంది. వీటన్ని చోట ఉండకూడదు కానీ స్పెషల్ కేస్ కొన్ని కేసెస్ లో ఉండొచ్చు. See మీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ పాయింట్. Before the words church, jail, prison, school, college, market, hospital, office, university, temple, mosque, bank, home and nursing home, వీటి ముందు కూడా దా అనేది యూస్ చేయకూడదు. ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేయకూడదు? ఫర్ ప్రైమరీ సెన్స్. See children, స్కూల్ కి మీరు ఎందుకు వెళ్తారు? స్కూల్ కి ఎందుకు వెళ్తారు? దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రైమరీ సెన్స్. ప్రైమరీ సెన్స్ ఏంటి? చదువుకోవడానికి వెళ్తున్నాను అనే సెంటెన్స్ లో ఆర్టికల్ యూస్ చేయకూడదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యువర్ పేరెంట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు స్కూల్ టు పే స్కూల్ ఫీజ్, స్కూల్ ఫీజ్ కి పే చేయడానికి ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమరీ పర్పస్, ఇట్స్ ఎ సెకండరీ పర్పస్. గణేష్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ బోరింగ్?
Yes ma'am.
Boring?
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ క్లాస్.
Thank you. If it is interest, not interest, it must and should you have to listen. See, here we primary purpose ki velte daniki the use cheyakodu. If it is secondary purpose, then we can use the. For example, here, see, for example, here, hospital. Why we are going to hospital? To get treatment. Treatment kosam veltunte adi primary purpose. Then we never use article. If we are going there to visit our relatives or to pay money, then we can use the. And like temple also, what is the primary purpose of temple? Temple ki enduku veltam mano? To pray to the god, to pray god.
Pray
to God.
If it is not primary purpose, then we can use article the. E point gurtupeట్టుకోండి చాలు. Now we go for the exercise. Yes, here first one is
An apple.
See here, church. Church is also a church. Before the church, we never use article, but here see sentence.
Articles.
Church on the corner is progressive. It is not for primary purpose. So here we can
Purpose.
use the primary
The.
purpose కానప్పుడు
The.
వాటికి ముందు the article use చేయొచ్చు.
The.
Next, Miss Lynn speaks Chinese. Chinese is a language.
Yeah.
Language ముందు
Language.
article use చేయొచ్చా?
చేయకూడదు మేడం.
Yes, here no article, zero article.
No
I
articles.
bought dash pencil from
Okay.
your pile of pencils and pens. Here pencil.
ఏ పెన్సిల్ మేడం?
A pencil. Very good. One
A
of the
pencil.
students said dash professor is late today. Here we are talking about a particular person. So before these type of nouns we have to use the.
No point.
The.
ద పర్సన్.
చెప్పేటప్పుడు దాని ముందు ద ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్, ద చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్, ద ప్రొఫెసర్,
టుడే.
Ellie likes to play volleyball. Can we use any article before names of games and sports?
ఏ వాలీబాల్?
No madam.
Here's
Yeah,
the
ma'am. No, ma'am.
article.
No
I
volleyball.
bought dash umbrella to go out in the
An
rain.
umbrella.
And
An umbrella.
very good.
I brought an umbrella.
Huh?
Out in the rain.
My daughter is learning
To play.
learning to play dash violin at her school. Violin is a musical instrument. Can we use any article before the musical instrument?
No madam.
No, ma'am.
No na. Musical instrument ముందు the use చేయాలని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా.
అవును
Yes
మేడం.
madam.
Yes, yes అయితే yes, no అయితే no. So the violin. Please give me dash cake that is on the counter. Here before the cake.
A cake.
Huh?
A cake madam.
Not a cake, because here we are talking about a particular cake which is on the counter. ఒక వస్తువు గురించి ఖచ్చితంగా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ద యూస్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ ద కౌంటర్ అని ఇవ్వకపోయినట్టయితే we are talking general about any cake, ఏదో ఒక కేక్ గురించి. But here we are talking about a particular cake which is on the counter. So here we have to use the. ఏదైనా ఒక వస్తువు గురించి పర్టికులర్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ద యూస్ చేయాలి. I lived on dash main street when I first came to town. Main street, it's a place. So the place we never use article. So here
Articles.
zero article. Albany
Zero
is
article.
the capital of dash New York State. New York State is a proper noun. It's a name of a
Yes, ma'am.
particular place. So before the
Yes.
proper noun,
The.
no article.
The.
Before the proper noun, no article. So here zero article. My husband's family speaks dash Polish. Polish is also a name of a language. Language names ముందు article use చేయొచ్చా?
ఏ పాలిష్ మేడం?
No, ma'am.
No. So
No, madam.
zero article. Dash apple. A day keeps the doctor away. Apple. A or an?
And
An apple.
Apple.
Right there.
Yes. Next. Dash ink in my pen is red. Here we are talking about ink. Ink.
Yeah, madam.
My pen. So I am
Pen.
talking about a particular thing. ఒక వస్తువు గురించి పర్టికులర్ గా మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఏం యూస్ చేయాలి?
the.
The.
అలా రమ్మని పెట్టే
Our neighbors have dash cat dash dog.
The.
A cat and a
అండ్ ది డాగ్.
dog. Rendu. Both are we are talking in general, in common. So we have to use a. So children, the same worksheets I will share to in your WhatsApp group. You remember this and you have to complete must and should. You inform to your friends also to complete this worksheet and forward in our WhatsApp group. Do you understand, children?
ఓకే
Understand, madam.
Understand.
Understood. Today attendance is very less.
మేడం ఫస్ట్ సార్ అప్పుడు పోయినప్పుడు ఇంకా చాలా మంది పోయినారు మేడం.
మా
మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు మేడం.
ఏంటి మహేష్
9 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాం మేడం.
9 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. నేను అదే అంటుంది, లాస్ట్ టైం 19 మెంబర్స్ దాకా వచ్చారు కదా,
అంటే ఇందాక మధ్యలో కట్ అయింది కదా మేడం.
అప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోయినారా?
40 మినిట్స్ కట్ అయినప్పుడు పోయినారు మేడం. ఎన్ మహేంద్ర
మళ్ళీ వచ్చేయండి
అప్పుడు
మేడం.
40 కట్ అయినప్పుడు పోయినారు మేడం.
రాఘవేంద్ర లేడు మేడం.
అయిపోతుంది క్లాసు.
అవును మేడం.
ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ అండర్స్టూడ్. మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. వర్క్ షీట్ రాసి పంపిస్తారు కదా గ్రూప్ లో.
ఓకే మేడం.
రాసేటప్పుడు మీరు చూసి రాస్తున్నా, ఒకసారి ఆలోచించి రాయండి. శివ ఏంటో చెప్పు. బాయ్ చెప్తున్నావా?
క్లాప్స్ కొడుతున్నాడు మేడం.
ఏంటి మహేష్?
క్లాప్స్ కొడుతున్నాడు మేడం.
క్లాప్స్ కొడుతున్నాడా? ఓకే ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, బాయ్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. గుడ్ నైట్ టు ఆల్.
బాయ్ మేడం.
బాయ్.
yes, good night మేడం.
నైట్.